Hello. This video is going to demonstrate using the producer map template for QGIS. So the first thing you want to do is open the map template, and once it opens up, you're going to be prompted to log into Nerds. So I'm going to log in. And once I log in, what that's going to do is it's going to pull my data from Nerds, my producer plots, into Nerds. And we also have some other layers that are getting pulled in from the state, such as state trails, state lands, and the Google satellite view. So what I have here is I have my producer area. And let's say I want to create a map for one of my producers. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the attribute table of my plots. I'm going to find that producer, and I'm going to select their plots, and then come over here to this little magnifying glass, and it's going to zoom the map to the extent of my producer, and then I can close my my attribute table. Now the next thing you want to do is open up the layout, and this is how you make your map. So I come over here to the project, and I have my layout manager. I can select my layout manager, and I can select an existing layout. So I'm going to select this existing layout, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate it. And by duplicating it, and I'm gonna add the name of my producer. I hit OK. And now you see it renders the map, but it renders the map to my last layout. I can come over here to where it says map, and then I've got these buttons right down here, and one of them is view current map extent in main canvas. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to shift my layout to the extent that was on my main map. See, so if I say is that right? Yep. And see, if you click the other button, it'll move so this button's gonna set the map extent to match the main canvas, and this button's gonna set the map extent. Anyway, yeah, I just gotta mess around with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna zoom to my area. And then I'm gonna come to my layout, and I'm gonna zoom my layout to my map area. Boom, just like that. And so now you can see your map is pretty much set up if your things are spaced nicely. You can see this plot right here doesn't have a label. So if your plot doesn't have a label, you should contact us so we can figure out why it's not labeling right. We might have to do some adjustment of the label, or maybe you can figure it out yourself. The other thing you're going to want to do is, like, maybe you want to mess with the scale bar. If you click on any of these elements and then you click at that, and then on the sidebar, you can control them. One of the important things would be to change the name of your producer information. So you can click on the text right here, and that allows you to add any producer information that you want. There's a lot of functionality here. You can always look on the Google for QGIS information. Once you have that set up, you can save your layout extent, and then you can come over here to layout, and you can export it as a PDF. So that's just a quick overview of how to use the QGIS map template. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or something's not working right. Thank you.